Okay guys, if you just hooked up your iPhone to your computer and you get this message right away, don't be afraid of just clicking uninstall now. This will not restart your iPhone, it won't do anything that you can see actually. It's just gonna download this software, okay? And then you're good to go. So it doesn't mean that you can go to your phone right now, go into general, and then check for updates because you will see nothing at this point in time. Now in some cases, sure, you might be missing an update or something like that, but that has almost nothing to do with this. Right now, this is because Apple has been updating a few things. So in order for your iPhone to sync up with your Mac properly, you do need to install this. This is a very fast installation process since it's such a small file. So even if you got really slow internet, this will not take more than a few minutes. And for those of you with fast internet speed, then it'll just take a minute or two to install and download itself. So right now we're seeing this will take about a minute and 20 seconds. So it's gonna be a little bit shorter than that anyways. So right now I'm making this video just to show you the normal process, what's supposed to happen. So after you saw that, it's supposed to just disappear and you're done. There's no window telling you, okay, you're done. And that's the bad thing. Some people get confused because they're like, wait, did I just install it? Because it just disappeared. It never said finished or anything like that. And it's okay. This is the way it works. Right now, you guys can go ahead and go into Finder, for example. And if you open up Finder, just click on your phone, open it up, and here you go. So everything's supposed to be as is, normal. You're supposed to be able to see everything. You can back it up right now onto right here your Mac or do anything that you would like. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.